In this video, I'll show you where to get promo code deals for American Eagle. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Right, open up any web browser and then head on over to Google. Once you're inside Google, type in promo code deals for American Eagle and then click search. And then you'll be brought to Google search results here, and you've got all these third-party sites offering these deals. So you got 30% off in Coupon Follow, 20% off Retail Me Not, We Thrift It. So you got all the big players here in this space. So any one of these sites will work, but one I like to use is Coupon Follow. And these sites do change their deals every so often, so be mindful to come back and check out their latest deals. So I'm inside Coupon Follow now, and you can see I've got these different deals: $20 off, 30% off, 25% off your order, etc, etc. So to activate any one of these deals, just simply click onto it. And now to enjoy extra 25% off your order, I'm going to click on copy, and then at American Eagle checkout section, I'm going to paste this code in to activate that 25% off my order.